What is the Electoral College? The Electoral College, established in Article 2, Section 1 of the Constitution, is the official group of people who vote for the candidate their state thinks is the best person to hold the position of President of the United States. Each state has as many Electoral College votes as they do representatives of Congress, both the House and the Senate combined. And the District of Columbia, regardless of having no representation in Congress, has 3 to add to a total sum of 538 electors. If 270 or more electoral votes are granted to one of the candidates, that candidate wins the election. The electors vote based on popular vote of their state. Why was the Electoral College system created? To answer this question, you have to go back all the way to 1787, and the Constitutional Convention taking place. At this point, no major documentations of nations electing leaders by any means of popular opinion were recorded. Nobody had tried to create this before. You have 2 groups of opinions. There are those who insisted that the president should not be elected by Congress because that provides too much leeway for corruption. On the other hand, you have people who believed that it would be worse for the general public to have the say. They believed that the general public lacked the information necessary to make an educated decision on the best candidate for the president. They feared mob rule and how it could too easily steer the country on a crash course towards collapse. After much debate, Alexander Hamilton, famously known as Secretary of Treasury under George Washington, as well as many other achievements, and his own musical, devised a system that addressed the concerns of both sides. The popular vote would decide upon a group of electors, equal to the amount of congressmen in their state, to represent the state's decision for the preferred presidential candidate. This way, Congress had no say in the matter, and the popular vote didn't directly affect the chosen candidate. Simple, easy, awesome. It is highly disputed, especially now that the election is coming up. Is this a fair way to decide? And do we need this anymore? Are we ready to get rid of a system that foiled candidates 5 separate times in their ambitions to become President of the United States? The answer to all these questions is a matter of opinion. All anyone can do is provide you with the facts, and the rest is up to you. Regardless, your vote still counts, so go out and vote.